Yellen was all smiles at her swearing-in ceremony. She is now the first female Fed chair and inherits a pile of work and big decisions. The Fed is in the middle of unwinding its unprecedented bond buying program, taking it down by $10 billion for the second time last week. And she is closely watching the unemployment rate, now at 6.7%, very close to the Fed's target of 6.5%. A topic sure to come up next week at her first big testimony to Congress. BMO Capital Markets chief U.S. economist Michael Gregory.
Well, I think she will obviously talk about the unemployment rate. I mean, between the two aspects of the mandate, the inflation underperformance and too high unemployment, Ms. Yellen has always put a bit more emphasis on the labor market side. But that unemployment rate has fallen quite a bit over the last little while. And I think what she will probably do is portray that she has a very balanced approach. She's looking both at inflation and at the unemployment rate, and that maybe her dovish reputation may be lowered just a little bit.
She is also likely watching the U.S. stock market. It's been taking a beating on weaker economic data in the U.S. and serious concerns about how extreme measures taken by central banks of emerging markets are impacting the U.S. financial markets. While the Fed has said it's remaining focused on matters here, that could change. Mesirow Financial Chief Economist Diane Swank.
If, however, things in emerging markets result in some sort of panic that goes beyond what we see in the fundamentals alone, which are not terrific for those emerging markets, and spill over into the U.S. economy or the global financial economy more dramatically than we've seen and more disorderly, she'll have no choice but to have to deal with them more directly.
Yellen's predecessor, Ben Bernanke, has joined U.S. policy think tank, the Brookings Institution.